First things first, gonna do a dirty oil change. I don't even know where the oil filter is on this thing. It's gonna be interesting. I skipped ahead here. I wanted to get her draining while she was hot. One thing I love, GM's drain plugs. With like a captive rubber like washer type deal. Pretty dark, but not too bad. Look at that transmission pan. Dry as a bone. T-case, dry as a bone. Should probably find the oil filter. I think it's on the other side. I'm just guessing. Yeah, of course, GM. Solid. It was on the other side of the oil pan right there. Transfer case, it's all dry on this side. Fuck, that's a huge tank. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll get the oil changed. Give it another good look over. Clean up the stock wheels and rims. I think I'll call her a day. I gotta get some sleep. Midnight shift is the death. Don't do midnight shift. Not even once. Not even just to try it. You gotta make yourself go to sleep on a beautiful day like this. There she goes. I wonder if the lift kit's ever gonna show up for this thing. It's getting made in Australia. Australia, mate. Australia. Okay, getting into her now. Painting the wiper arms before the new wipers go on. They were aluminum, which was surprising. A lot of aluminum stuff on this. Calipers. Trying to save weight wherever they can. Race car. I've been working on the back of it here. And I'm just going to document how clean these wheel wells are before I put any bed liner or anything on them. Some rusting by the seam, but it's all completely solid. I've just wire wheeled it a bit to get the loose stuff off, completely degreased. Pour 15 the backing plates, front and back. Put all new emergency brake shoes. I'm going to do axle seals. Got new brakes all ready to go on. New shocks and bumper mounts, or axle bumpers. Got those pulled off, cleaned up the mounts right now. Drop the spare tire. The truck style through the bumper ratchet mechanism actually worked, surprisingly. Came right down. Gonna leave the spare tire out so that the undercoating boys can really get in there. Thing's huge and crusty. Wonder if I can get a better tire under there that'll fit. Tons of room. Can basically sit up underneath this thing. It's up high enough on the jack stands. Now this side, not quite as clean, but still quite clean for unterrible. That's the axle seal that's leaking the worst. We got the axles in, brand new axle seals, sway bar, links, shock, brakes, calipers, pads, rotors. Same on this side, all good to go. I can move on to the back. So yeah, just hardening the wheel seals onto her. Got bearings driven into her. Use the old 3/4 socket and the Got the girly air hammer to drill them in there. Got the axle shafts getting cleaned up now. The side's been painted up, just drying. But yeah, I got the rear shocks tore off her. Differential crosspin bolt drilled out of her, the snappy do. Ruin your day bolt. So that was good. Day 2 on the road. Day 1 of the interior build. Basically just threw the couch in, the sub, shelf from the home, restrung the lights. Oh great, here we go. Shut up. Up the rat hose? Oh, you spoil me, Danny. You spoil me. Me twice. Rat hoses and the thermostat are on their way. It's a long bastard, holy shit. Doesn't look too bad to change. Might have to pull the shroud to do the lower. We'll see. Got the tune-up parts fucking ready to go. Tell me twice. Alright, still have the seats in for the safety inspection and whatnot, but got the LED lights mocked up.